Welcome back for another episode of Plano Property Checkup. Today we're here with Gwen with Neighborhood Services. What are we going to be talking about today, Gwen?
We're going to be talking about spring lawn care.
Spring lawn care. Here we go. So what's the first step? I know we kind of have to tidy up. So what does that entail?
So to tidy up your yard, you need to pick up all your sticks and leaves and just debris that has scattered. Keep all sidewalks clear,
Okay.
encroachments over the public right-of-ways and over the streets.
So another way to tidy up is through pruning, right? So what are these tools that we've got over here that can help?
So what we have here are loppers, so you could cut smaller branches, little limbs with these.
Nice.
And also we have a landscape like trimmer that you could reach, bigger stuff. With this, you can prune like your little shrubs like this and make them look, beautiful.
They're tidy.
They're tight.
We like to see it. It's awesome. So tell me about the Tool Lending Program.
So Neighborhood Services, we do have a tool lending program. You have to apply. So you sign a waiver, we bring the tools to you, and then we pick them up.
Hey Gwen, what is this?
This is a spreader, which you can use to spread your fertilizer, your weed control, different seeds. If you want to seed your grass, you use the spreader.
Oh, it belongs on the grass.
Yeah, on the grass.
Say Gwen, what's this?
This is a weed, and if we don't get rid of it, it can spread, grow taller, and get out of control.
What's the best way to get rid of this?
So the best way to get rid of it would be to use a herbicide, like something natural to help the environment.
Okay.
I
can pull it?
You can
I
pull
can
it,
pull
but
it?
if you don't get it from the root, it's gonna grow back.
Ah.
Don't pull it.
Hey Gwen, this is a pogo stick?
No, it's an aerator.
Oh.
Used to poke holes in the yard to get the
Wow.
fertilizer. To get your fertilizer and your seeding down.
Okay, that's cool. All right, Gwen, so we've got these holes in our lawn now. What's the next step?
The next step would be to put down fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
So we would fertilize our entire lawn after aerating everything. And then after we put the fertilizer down, then we would water.
And we water. Needs a good drink of water going into spring. All right, thank you so much, Gwen, for talking to us about seasonal lawn care.
Thank you.